Guys, we are cooking up some taco soup for dinner. This is going to come together so quick and it's going to be so yummy. I've got a pound of ground beef, 80-20. I'm just going to dump that in there. Let me wash my hands. I hope you all can hear me good. Let me know in the comments. I got a new lapel mic that attaches to my camera, and hopefully you all will be able to hear me good. So I'll be glad to have that, which my kids tell me I didn't probably need it, but I got one anyway. Ain't that funny? They're so funny. They're just so funny. Ain't they precious? They're just precious. But anyway, I'm a big nut. You all know that. I'm going to go ahead, and the first thing we're going to do is get this ground beef browned up. And then we'll start adding our seasonings and our canned veggies. I'm going to dice up 1 onion and 4 garlic cloves while this is heating up, okay? And I'll show you all everything I do, and the recipe will be linked down in the description box. Get a butter knife. That's 1. That's 2. I'm just going to do 3 because that was 2 stuck together, I think, and this is a bigger one. So we're just going to do 3, but it calls for 4, and that's what I would do. But this one was big, and that other one had 2 stuck together. So I don't want it to be overpowering with garlic. You know what I mean? Now I'm going to get my onion and get it chopped up. Go ahead and put our onions in. Get this out of the way. I'm going to get it completely browned before I start adding my seasoning and my other ingredients, okay? It's getting brown. I'm going to go ahead and add our spices right quick. Everything's getting done. Okay, I'm going to do, for my seasoning, I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of cumin. 2 teaspoons of cumin. And I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir this in. And it gives you those taco scent. Some of the same seasonings you use in chili as well. I'm going to turn this down to medium. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a can of black beans, and I'm just going to add the juices with it. I typically drain those, but I'm not going to in this dish since it's soup. I think it'll be fine. And there's a lot of nutrients in that black bean brine. I'm going to add 1 can of Mexican style corn. It's got whole kernel corn with red and green bell peppers. I'm going to add 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Look at those. Those look good. I accidentally picked these up and I was like, well, those will be perfect for that because it called for a can of diced tomatoes. And then 1 can of chili beans. One can of green chilies. I love green chilies. Let me know in the comments below. Do you love green chilies? I made taco sliders the other day. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. I think it'd be good for the Super Bowl. I think it would be neat to do a taco, everything taco. Taco sliders, taco pizza, tacos, taco soup, taco, loaded tacos, loaded nachos. Let me know in the comments if you all like that idea. And then I'm going to get me 4 cups of beef broth. And I use the Better Than Bouillon. And you just use 1 teaspoon with 8 ounces of water. Okay, I've got 4 cups of my beef broth here. And I just mixed 4 tablespoons with hot water. And it's as easy as that. That's the ingredients. We're just going to let this come to a simmer. I'm going to turn it up and let it come to a little bit of a rolling boil. And then I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer for about 30 minutes before we eat. And I'll show you what our bowls look like when it gets done, okay? And the toppings I've got to put on it is tortilla strips, some Mexican cheese, some Kobe Jack cheese, and some sour cream. I think that's going to be really good. Plus, I've also got oyster crackers. Got these oyster crackers. And I don't know if y'all remember these in my meal haul, my shopping haul. And they're the Quest protein chips. And I'm going to use those on mine. 17 grams of protein, 3 net carbs. I'm just going to crush them up and put them on the top. I think it'll be really good. Okay, everyone. Our soup is done. Look at this, how good it looks. Look at that. Here's my bowl. I put some Mexican cheese, some sour cream, and the Quest protein chips in it.
This soup turned out absolutely delicious. We all enjoyed it, and I sent a huge container of it home with my son for his family. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and have a great day. Bye.